So here we have one of the best days I've had in a while. You're pouring me a beer.
Mm-hmm.
We've got brined chicken. The Traeger is preheating. It's at 430 degrees, heating up. Kids are outside playing on a sunset snowy day, and the Traeger's out there working its butt off while they burn some energy. All right, you got my beer? My burr?
Yep, here's your beer.
All right. Grab the bowl, let's go outside.
All right.
I'm going to film this whole thing. I want to remember this moment. After you. Hello, Miss Elizabeth.
Hello, camera.
Snow.
Oh, this compressed snow somehow. Annie, come. Good girl. Funk.
2 kids, just 2 minutes. Your whole Matthew, not that close to the girl, please stand back. Stay over there now, guys.
All right. Set my glass in its holder here. Down in the snow.
That's awesome.
All right, Mommy, you ready?
Ready.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Photogenic and everything. Wow. All right, you want to take over? I want to film this whole little moment. Give me the bag.
Okay.
You film.
Understood.
I'll put it on the grill. Let that chill for a second.
Look at that background.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's gorgeous.
Light blues, grays. It's fantastic. We're very, very fortunate. All right, so set this bag. Whoa! Without sliding off into the sunset. Look at that, Danielle. Can you take a pause as we get our.
I'm capturing
That's
every
cool.
moment.
Good. All right, here we go. Fold this in. Snow on the ground, and you're smoking
Mama, I have an idea.
chicken on the chicken.
Matthew, wait.
Hold on,
Wait,
buddy.
wait.
One second, okay?
Stand back,
I'll
bud.
raw chicken that close to my beer.
Lizzie, don't mess with Annie. This is so cool.
It's a close.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Good. Now a little more space from the others. Let's go wash up.